अर्शद। सो आज बात करने वाले हैं कि हाउ मच शुड यू स्पेंड ऑन सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स फॉर पेड एडवर्टाइजिंग। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So the first thing I want to clear in this video is that there is no fixed budget actually that you can spend on Facebook or Google or any other platform and you just get results and your business starts growing rapidly. There is nothing like that. It's just a form of advertising, and if your ad sucks, you may have to spend more, and if your ad is very good, you may have to spend very less. So it's not a very clear distinction line which I can draw for you so that you can spend this much and not over that. So anyway, I will be giving you a rough idea, and this will be a testing budget because if you have not run any ad ever, so you should first start to spend and learn to spend by burning some money. And by burning, I mean you need to test the things out on your location and your ad creative, etc., etc. So let's talk about how much should you spend on Facebook first. So because Facebook is the most loved platform on the in the world right now, I guess, in the business world. So Facebook and Instagram comes in a package, and other apps as well, like the Messenger, etc. So if you're a local business, which I can say I will categorize local business, which is 5 to 10 kilometer, which the customers are coming from 5 to 10 or maybe 15 kilometer radius only, and not far from that, like a milkshake shop or a restaurant or a dentist clinic or small doctors. So if you are among those, so you should spend somewhere around 5 to 10K on Facebook ads with a good creative and a good offer, because you need to understand that Facebook is not a selling platform. People there come there to see their friends photos or funny videos or any videos which they have might be following. So they are not there to see your ad, or they are not in the mood of selling or buying, or because obviously if you are in a marketplace you are in a mood to buy, and Facebook is not a marketplace. So if you want to sell there, you need to give them a very good offer to incentivize their action. And if you don't have a very good offer, it will not be very worth it, but still you can try and learn things over the period of time. So let's talk about how much should you spend, and 5 to 10K, as I said, on a local region with 5 to around 15 kilometer radius. And you should be spending on Facebook plus Instagram only. Other platforms, I don't think. You can also include the Messenger. You can test things out, but it will all depend on your type of business and your kind of offer, etc., etc. It will not. There is nothing a fixed line in advertising that you can spend this much on this platform and you will just grow rapidly. Nothing like that, as other marketers say. So let's talk about now Google. Google is also a very good platform, but it's very not, I don't want to say very, but it's costly compared to Facebook, because it is a marketplace. People come there to buy things or are looking for specific things which you are showing them ads for, which I will explain. So for example, you know the whole thing that if you search anything on Google, you will see the ad on top, which green or blue, or depending on the Google's algorithm, you will see the top banner ad or the placards of the Amazon or the Flipkart you see, of the laptop if you search, or the pen drive you search, anything electronic you search, you see the placards from the Amazon, etc. So on Google, if you want to do the marketing, it is a marketplace. So many people are competing simultaneously, and your competitors may be competing on the same keyword, which is dentist near me, and you may have 5 dentists in 15 kilometer region, so they all might be competing same. So the bid for showing your ad on top so that people click on it goes higher and higher, and that's why Google is Google's ads are very much higher. So the thing is, if you want to do marketing on Google, you should maintain a budget of at least 15 to 20K on as a local region business, like the ones I explained, the coffee shop or the restaurant or the dentist or the anything like that, which operates locally only. So don't think of 15 to 20K as a lot of budget, because if you get 3 to 4 conversions only in 15 to 20K, and I am talking about 15K budget as 500 rupees per day for a month, because you will get at least one lead per day if in 15-kilometer region for whatever service you are promoting, whether it's implants, etc., etc. Don't look at 15 to 20k as a very big budget, because if you get two to three conversions only, your budget is fulfilled and your budget is recovered fully. So you need to think of it like you are learning something, and that's why you need to spend 15 20k. And when you learn, you also spend 10k and achieve the same results, because your ad are very good and people recognize you in the second time more easily rather than the first time. So there are many factors. So if you want to spend as collectively on Facebook and Google, you can spend 20k, and I know 20k is a lot for a small business owner, but uh, this is a learning thing, because if you invest 20k, this is not a spending. I would say marketing is not like a spending thing; it's an investment thing. Because if you invest the money in marketing, you will learn the things, and you will learn how to market and how to promote your service to the people in your area and in other areas as well. And you will learn a lot of things. That's why it's investing, and you have to invest your time and your money. And invariably, if you spend more time, you can spend less money, and if you spend more money, you will spend less time. That's how the business works. But still, uh, you can spend 20k in Facebook and Google ads, and you can see results in the first month only. I'm not saying the 20k will all go to waste. You will see spectacular results, and you will see things, how people respond to your business and how things work around in your area. And then you can optimize in your other campaigns, and then you will see results over and over and over. And then that's how the compound thing works in business. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you want any more tips around marketing or any other things, or if you want us to handle your marketing campaigns, etc., in whatever location around the India or even internationally, we are happy to do so. And you can contact us using the website in the description. And if you want anything descriptive and you want to just get on a call with us, we are happy to do so. And it will be absolutely free. Any advice is absolutely free. You can call us or you can drop us an email. So thank you.